It's after lunch. Again, nice big lunch. You don't go hungry for lunches. Lunch, tea, sit in the sun, yep, 40 minutes rest, and then it's off again. And as predicted, the downward hike has stopped. We crossed the river at the bottom. Now we're going back up again. But I think we've got ahead of the lunchtime rush. Walking through this beautiful forested area. At the moment, not a soul in sight. It's beautiful. Have a look around. So nice to have it quiet. Got seen over there in the path. That's where I'm heading down. Oh, sorry, did I say down? That's where I'm heading. Up around that corner. And there's just no one here. It's lovely. It's so beautiful. How am I holding up? Well, oops, not controlling the camera well. I do have a problem with camera batteries, so I do apologise if a couple of these episodes are a bit shorter than normal, because, well, I'm having trouble charging batteries. Yesterday I used 3 of my 4 batteries and only got half of one charged yesterday, which meant I started this morning with 1.5 full batteries. Yeah, I know. Now, I did also, at lunchtime, managed to get some charge in a battery. So I'm back to 1.5 batteries with half a day to go. But I desperately need to get charge in that camera batteries tonight. I've got 4 in total. It's not going to be enough if I can't charge every night. So I'm going to try and keep filming down to the minimum and only film the really great stuff. Oh, it's so difficult to do. There's so much to film, so much to see. I don't want you guys to miss out. I mean, okay, well, I'll get what I can get and I'll show it to you. In the meantime, let's enjoy this peace and quiet. Somewhere around that mountain. Whew, not even halfway yet from the whole trek, not today. I'm in the last hour of trekking today. That's really nice. My legs could do with a rest. Survived another day, just. Well, no, I did survive it more than just. I mean, I survived it, but the day isn't quite finished yet. But, we've got maybe another half an hour hiking left, but we're on the last leg of the day. And as you can see, we're heading, beautiful scene, we're heading somewhere down in the valley, down there. Yes, down. We did do some up today, but we did a majority of down. And because these huge mountains have huge valleys between them, and to get over the mountains and round the mountains, you have to skirt round the edges. I don't know if you can see, but there's this tiny little path skirting round the edge of that mountain. That's where I'm going tomorrow. And yes, so to go up to the higher peaks, to what's called ABC, which is Annapurna Base Camp, that's where I'm heading for my last night of my highest altitude before I start coming down again. You have to go up, like we did the first days, then down mostly today into the valley, down again tomorrow, then round the mountain, up a little bit. Then I think it's a bit up and down the next day, and then it's the big day up to the base camp. But it's been a pleasant day. I got my second wind shortly after breakfast, managed the ups and the downs with a few rests, a few snacks, some lunch, a cup of tea here and there, a couple of stops of photographs. But I'm feeling okay now, although my legs and my feet are definitely telling me they're exercising more than normal. But I'm going to do it. I am going to do it. I am going to get, you know those snowy peaks? That's where I'm going. And you are coming with me. Come on. And it's the end of the day. Made it. Rooms with shoes and bags outside. Fine looking doggy. Hey Pooch, how you doing? How you doing? Hey? Oh, you're a nice thick coat there. You're a beautiful looking dog. Come and say hello to you. I'm just going to show people. There's the rooms. There's the mountains. There's your laundry. And out over here. Here's the view down. There we go. I can't see at the moment. There we go. See the river down there? That's where we're heading down to tomorrow before we go back up again. Yeah, I know. Crazy idea, hiking, trekking, isn't it? As it is. The last shot of daylight hours as the sun disappears behind the mountain. I don't know if you can see it, but just peeking in there, you could just, if you look carefully, is the Annapurna peak. Just sneaking through there. Honest it is. There, look carefully. Well, hopefully it'll maybe clear out later and I'll show you more shots of it. If not, it's a good night for me. I'm going to take these shoes off and get a shower. I just realised I didn't film the room for you. So here it is. Sorry about the mess. But it's a nice, clean, tidy room. It has a power socket and I've got a battery under charge, so I'm charging it like crazy. That's good news. There's my bed with all the mess over it. Sorry about that. And a bathroom which apparently has a hot shower and a toilet. The hot shower I'm interested in. Ooh. So there we go. Just dumped everything. Put on some fresh shoes, some fresh clothes, and then I'm out to see if I can get some sunset or some action on that mountain. Evening, Puss. What are you doing, hey? Now the catching bed. Beside the fire. Sure to get with a pocket fire. Momo again. I think chicken momo with a new spice. So steamed momo, so tasty and filling. And let's hope we're not too spicy this evening. Let's eat up. Just for the record, this spice tonight is steaming my ears off. I know it's cold here. If I can get cold tonight, I'll just take the tiniest bit of this. My eyes are watering and I really feel my ears are steaming and I've lost my voice. I'm actually going to try and water it down with tomato ketchup because the sauce is really nice. Oh my goodness. Some of the spices I've had have been mildly spicy, but this must be because we're above the snow line. Anyway, let's eat up. Momo with really scary spice. Not Spice Girls. Hey! I'm so tall, look at me! I'm 6 foot tall!